Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to change your birthday on the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and clear way so that you can update your personal details without any hassle. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, click on Accounts Center to manage your profiles. Then, select Personal Details to access your birthday information. Now, click on Birthday and you will see the option to edit it. Once you click on Edit, enter your correct birthday. Finally, tap on Save to update your information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.